everybody. Right now I'm in Buckhorn, Pennsylvania at the site of a former Charlie Brown's restaurant. This place is also formerly known as Western Sizzlin. It's a place that I used to go to with my grandmother when I was growing up. We used to go here every Sunday that we'd come up to visit. So it's now abandoned. It's getting a little bit overgrown. It's a little bit sad to see it in this condition, but let me show it to you. Let's check it out. This is former Charlie Brown's Steakhouse. As we walk up to the doorway here, you can see that it has the CB on the door handles, which I always thought was pretty cool. They still have menu advertisements on the side, even on this side over here. It's almost like they decided just not to open one day and just left it all hanging there. Yeah, I can't really see too much through the glare here, so let's try another window. And you can see how much this is really overgrown. It's not been maintained too well. Still got a lot of stuff in there. Kind of proves the point that, well, maybe not proves the point, but kind of makes me believe more that, well, that's completely closed off. Makes me believe that they just decided not to open up one day. This place is up for sale. Come on, phone. There we go. Over here is like a side entrance. And this is heavily tinted. Still kind of looks like the day they close it up. Doesn't look in bad condition inside. Doesn't look like the roof is collapsing or anything. So the building itself is in pretty good shape. But it's been sitting abandoned like this for a couple years. Well, everybody, that was a quick walk around of the former Charlie Brown's Steakhouse, also formerly known as Western Sizzlin, here in Buckhorn, Pennsylvania. If you enjoyed this little tour, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. These are the kind of explorations I love to do, and I love to share it. Still got lots of time here in Pennsylvania. I have no idea what else I'm going to find. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Keep it real, and I will see you later.